Alright, so this is our last little example here for section 4.5. Just a little word problem so that we can practice solving with a little word problem involved. So here is our question. So if $10,000 is invested in an account earning 5.5% interest compounded continuously, determine how long it will take the money to triple, round to the nearest year. So there's a couple things happening. I have money, I have an interest rate, and of course I have compounded continuously. So I need to figure out that formula. I need to figure out the 10,000, 5.5, and my question is looking for how long. So all good clues to help me figure out what the heck I'm supposed to do. So compounded continuously tells me that I'm going to use my a certain formula, and that formula is A equals P times E to the RT. Now, I need to know my amount that I'm putting in. That's my principal. That's P. A is the amount that I'm going to have at the end. And R is going to be my rate, and time, of course, is time. So here, 10,000 is my P. $10,000 is the principal amount that I'm putting in my account. R is my rate, 5.5%, which I'm going to do my write as a decimal, 0.55%. So that means that I have two letters left out. I have P and I have R. Now I need to figure out either A or T. Well, the question is looking for how long. So T is what I'm solving for. So T is equal to question mark, question mark. That's what I need to figure out. Now, we're supposed to determine how long it will take the money to triple. So those are my key words here. So if I started with 10,000 and I need to end up with triple the amount, triple means 3 times 10,000. So my annuity or my amount at the end needs to be $30,000. Okay, so now that I have everything here, I'm going to plug it all in. So let me scoot this up a little. Oops. Here we go. So I have 30,000 equals 10,000 E raised to this 0.055 times T. Now I'm in the circumstance where I have a little exponential function. So I need to get the exponential equals a number. So first I need to get rid of my 10,000. Get rid of my 10,000. So 30,000 divided by 10,000 is 3 equals E to the 0.55t. And now when I'm solving, I have to take the log of both sides of the ln. Now in this case, I'll take the ln because I have base e. So now I have ln of 3 equals, since they have the same base, that simplifies to just being my exponent. Oops, forgetting a 0 here. I forgot it up here too, sorry. Times t. And now I just have to divide by 0.055t. So t, the exact answer is ln of 3 divided by 0.055, but this is a word problem, so we're cool with approximate answers. So let me plug this in here to my little calculator. Divided by 0.055, and it says round to the nearest year, so my answer is 20, and don't forget your units for full credit, 20 years. Okay, now if you have any questions over any part of 4.5, please come see me in the Math Hub over Thanksgiving, or send me a little email and I'll do the best that I can to help you out. If not, move on to our last section, section 4.6.